How to download LinkedIn attendance in 2026. In this video, I will show you how you can manage your webinars and how you can steal leads from others. All right, so first thing we have to go to LinkedIn. We'll go to the search bar, and here we will try to find, where it says events. We'll click there, and then you have to search your topic. For example, marketing, copywriting, sales, this kind of stuff, right? So we have to, in my case, I have to search for sales, for example. Right. All right. So here we have a webinar that is hosted by Tracy that is happening today. So we just need to click here, and we have to click on attend webinar, right? Once we click on attend the webinar, for example, if I leave the event, I can attend it again, because it's important to attend the webinar, because if not, LinkedIn will not give you the list of attendees. You see, there is no link here to click and check the attendees. So this is important. We will click on attend, and then LinkedIn will give us that data. Now the data is publicly available for us. So we have to click here, and here we go. We have the complete list of attendance. All right. Once we have this, there are two things we can do with the list. First one is stealing leads. Basically, hi David, I just saw you are attending this the webinar hosted by Tracy talking about blah blah blah, and then you will do your pitch. Or you can use this strategy for managing your own events, because when you host a webinar, the one of the main problems you may have is the show up rate, right? Because maybe 50% of them will miss it. So it's important to contact them before the webinar for to make sure that they will attend, and of course afterwards to try to convert them in clients for your business. So we will copy this list. We will go to WaLead.ai. We will click on add leads. We will choose LinkedIn search bar, where you can basically scrape from LinkedIn any kind of URL. I will choose my account, and then I just need to add the volume, for example, 38. Then you click on import leads, and in 20 seconds you will have all the list already imported. So I have already done it. So I have here all my leads. All right, 38 leads here. And for example, Harvey King, if we go to the list, Harvey King is actually here. So everything is all right. Okay, once we have this, we basically can jump in to sequences, and basically with WaLead.ai, we'll be able to create a campaign for them. So first thing, we will send an invitation. In case they are already connected with us, then this step will be jumped, right? So it will be skipped. And then we can go to the first message. In this first message, we can basically make sure they will attend. So hi, first name. We can click on preview to see how it looks like. But basically will be something like, hi, first name, I just saw, hi, Daryl, I just saw you sign up for my event. It's going to be amazing. X, Y, and Z are coming, and we will be talking about blah, blah, blah. Plus, there will be a special bonus at the end. Well, this will be your message. And of course, what I recommend in this message is adding your link for your Google Meeting, so you make sure they attend. All right. Once we have this, then what we can do is 3 days later, for example, it's like afterwards, after the event, if for example, like if the event will be like in the next week and you are doing this much like before the event, what you can do is increase the deadline, increase like the delay, so it will be like 7 or 10 or something. Once you have this, then we can send a second message where we will basically try to close the lead, right? By the way, were you all able to attend my webinar? What did you think? I will leave my calendar link if you want to have a one-on-one call, so that I see if we can help you with your business. So here you can add like the copy for your second message, and of course you can do more follow-up messages and try to convert these leads. because they are warm leads, because they already know you, they trust you, they have joined your webinar, so it will be much easier. Because the main problem is that most people just they just do the webinar, and then they expect to convert leads, like inbound people that after the webinar will send you a message. But most of them, like the majority, are not ready to buy, so they will yeah, they need someone to push them, or maybe they need another meeting with you. So with this strategy is fantastic for closing much more leads. So I hope this video has been useful for you, and I will leave you more resources in the comment section. See you. Bye bye.